everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Coach Lonnie and Silvis, and in this video is a continuation of my Sqribble review about this product. This is the top number one ebook software that you need to get, and it is under pre-launch sale. So if I would recommend you guys get this product right now, get in before the pre-launch sale will be over. And as you have watched the video, I've already played it for you. Now I want to play for you the testimonies of the owners that own this product. Okay, for me, you know, my review with it is I'm actually happy with what I got. I have every product except one, but I have everything. All right, and to get in, it is so easy to get in. Get the standard first, get in, get that Sqribble software first, and then after that, if you want to upgrade, you can upgrade with the other products. You can contact them in the back office, tell them you want to buy more products, but you want a huge discount, and they will actually work with you. They will give you a huge discount. Believe me, they have done it for me. That's why I have everything right now. All right, I'm going to play some of these testimonies, and I want you to listen to their results, because you need to see results and what you can do with this software before you can get it. But I absolutely want you to get it now, because I want you to avoid future the normal cost of this ebook software. I want you to avoid monthly costs of this ebook software, and you don't want that. You want to avoid it at all costs. So you want to get into the pre-launch stage right now. So get your Sqribble and listen to the testimonies below, and I am going to play each one of them. So here we go.
Hi guys, I just started using Sqribble a few weeks ago, and it's a really fantastic app. I'm starting to move into the area of shorter, quicker books, and Sqribble is ideal for that. So intuitive to use, so easy to use. You've really done a wonderful job, guys, and I'm looking forward to additions, other ideas, and possible improvements coming down the line. It's really a fantastic product, and you should be very proud.
Hey everyone, this is Katerina Christakos, and today I'm going to give you my review of Sqribble, which is an ebook creation software. Now, I've written a lot of books and reports, and I've used pretty much everything that's out there. Sqribble takes it far and beyond what anyone else does. It comes with these templates, which are drag and drop. You pick the one that you want, depending on your niche. Once you're in there, you can either import your Word document, or you can copy and paste. I typically copy and paste because I like to have a little bit more control of formatting. You can drag and drop while you're in there. If you want a picture in your book, all you have to do is there is a place where you can go type in a keyword, and it will give you a ton of different pictures. You pick the one you want, and they're all copyright free, and it goes instantly into your book. This will take your books to a whole nother level, because the formatting is just so beautiful. In the past, I've had to hire people to do formatting for me, and it's expensive. Once you get this, you can either do it yourself, and it's easy, or you can hire someone for a couple bucks an hour and have them do it for you. At the end of the day, you're going to have a book that you can be proud of, because it's going to look beautiful. That's my review of this Sqribble. Click the link below. Get it today. It is amazing.
Hi, my name is Robert Miller. I'm an online marketing expert here in Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. I signed up with Sqribble about 2.5 months ago, and you know something? I love the tool. It saves me so much time creating my ebooks. I use these ebooks as a free giveaways for my lead magnets that I advertise for my clients and for myself or my own products. Everything is so easy in Sqribble. I highly recommend it for anybody. For the ease of use, it's pretty much idiot-proof, and it's a really, really great tool. Thank you, Sqribble, for doing it and creating it.
I must say I'm very pleased with the new Sqribble software that I purchased, including the flipbook creator. It's really simple to use, and it makes a very effective, fascinating flipbooks. I've been using it for my natural medicine community, compiling their knowledge. It's a way that we can keep that knowledge alive, and they're very happy with the results of these flipbooks we've created, and I've been inspired to start putting down more of my knowledge and keep it alive. It's so simple to use, and it really does make a beautiful end result. Thank you very much, Sqribble, for these wonderful tools. I see endless possibilities for using them, and it's made it very simple for me to start putting more of my resources together, publishing more ebooks, and those flipbooks. I love them.
Hi, I'm Chuck. I just want to say how much I enjoy Sqribble. The software works great, and Adil and the team are constantly making it even better. If you make ebooks, you'll be glad you have Sqribble.
I am so pleased with this product. So Sqribble is really easy to use and super duper time saving. I was able to create my first ebook in less than a minute, and it has so many different templates for so many different niches. Personally, I focused on the health niche to make money and help build my list. I highly, highly recommend Sqribble. It gets 5 stars. Thanks for watching.
Hi there, how are you? My name is William from Brazil, and I would like to recommend the Sqribble.net because it's the best ebook creator that I use forever. It's really simple to use and fast and very responsive. It's the really best system to create ebooks and sales and high profitable. I get more than $10,000 and just selling ebooks online with Sqribble. Okay, see ya.
All right, guys. Jason here from Michigan, and today I'm doing a real quick testimonial for Sqribble, the ebook maker. At this point, I think it is the best ebook maker to ever come out. Obviously, with it being early 2019, it's giving everybody a chance to come up with their own ebooks, making them as fast as they possibly can. There's so many different options to it that it's definitely a software or a product that you can't live without, especially if you're an online marketer or if you're looking to maybe even make ebooks for Kindle, anything of that nature to make some good extra side cash, because anything that you make with Sqribble is going to be high quality, and you really don't have to put a lot of time and effort into it. At this point, guys, I highly recommend it. This is my testimonial again for Sqribble. Good job, guys. Have a great, great day. See ya.
If you want to make great ebooks, all you have to do is buy Sqribble. I started out as a standard user, and now I use Sqribble Pro. They provide the templates, and you provide the content. Get Sqribble today.
Hey, what's up, my friends? Russell Johnson here. Just wanted to leave a quick review for the Sqribble automatic ebook creator. It literally, at a click of a few buttons, you can spit out an amazing, beautiful looking ebook, which I was doing my research to figure out how to create ebooks to give away as lead magnets to build my email list, and yeah, it was going to cost me possibly hundreds of dollars to get a nice looking ebook, one that doesn't look like it's from, 1990. Generic. The templates are amazing, gorgeous, and I am really stoked for this product. It's going to allow me to crank out awesome lead magnets to build my list and to build it quickly, and I highly recommend it. You should check it out. Sqribble. Alright, peace.
Thank you for watching my Sqribble review of all the testimonies. Just a few of them, but you can see that they're very happy with this product, and I'm absolutely very happy. I totally agree with them. This is a best investment if you want to start creating ebooks the easy way. This software is very complete. It's besides, you got great training. I think it's far best, the top #1 ebook software out there. Okay, this started a few years ago, but it's still under pre-launch sale, and I guess the CEO, Adil, did not want to take it away because he wants everybody to be successful. And right now, it's because of the pandemic time, I think a lot of people are actually getting in, and I am so happy that I am very pleased about what you can do with this product. Sqribble can actually help you build your email list by giving away ebooks. You get free landing pages along with it. It's included in the software once you upgrade. Each level of product in there, you can upgrade. And now if you want to watch another ebook review from me, I go into detail into the back office, so you have to find that video somewhere on my channel. But thank you for watching, and I hope you get the product. The link is below if you want to get started. Alright everyone, have a great day. Don't forget to watch my suggested videos, and look out for the latest video that I will be uploading. Thank you everyone. Bye for now.